Hi, and welcome to the MSOL program. I'm Dr. Sandy Coyne-Gilbert, but I would ask you to please call me Sandy. We have a wonderful journey ahead through some really interesting, challenging times. I want to tell you how thrilled I am that you've decided to go on this journey with us, and I promise you that we will make every effort to ensure that this is an effective journey. So, you are our online cohort. What that basically means is that despite being online, I still want it to be a very robust experience. So I'm going to start you off with recordings. There's going to be, I'm going to record every class that I hold in hybrid. I'm going to make other recordings specifically for you. The intention being that you have exposure to as much as you need and or want to make this effective for you. Though there's a group of people that you will get to know better in your cohort, you should know that these are people you're going to go to school with all the way through. I've shared that with most of you. But just to be clear, that means that what awaits you is a journey that there'll be many shared experiences. But that does not mean you're all going to be the same leader. Each one of you comes in with your own specific skills and attributes and your own desires for what you have that awaits you at the end of this program. As a result, this program is an individual one, but we have shared experiences where you will get a chance to get to know the people in the program, but also get to know yourself a little bit better. So we're going to start out slow, and graduate school is intended to be a journey that begins on a gradual basis. We will make sure that this is as effective as possible for you. It's a really challenging world right now, but this is an incredible time to study leadership because you know what leadership looks like in good ways and in bad. So this is a time to take stock of who you are and how you can best provide your skills and attributes to a really needy world. So I will be posting more readings. You've got readings. Your account is going to open very soon, and then you will have your Blackboard shell. Once the shell opens, we will start to delve into different parts of leadership. We're going to do it gradually, and we're going to help you to get adjusted to graduate studies. But I do want you to know that if there's anything I can do that will specifically make this journey better for you, more effective, or easier to understand, please feel free to reach out to me. You'll see my cell phone is available everywhere. And I do mean it when I say, if there's anything I can do to help, I really am here to do that. I want to close by sharing Arthur Ashe was an incredible, incredible athlete. He also was an incredible man. He fought racism and he fought HIV with grace and a tennis racket. So Arthur Ashe is famous for having said that things are not about the destination. It's not about the degree. It's about this journey. So as we embark on this journey, please know you are never alone. And if you need anything, you need only reach out, and I will make sure to do everything in my power to help you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And I will look forward to talking with you in the next few days as you join us. There will be a class that will be recorded, including an orientation, and I will put that up on Wednesday morning. Your weeks begin on Tuesday. I will continue to post short videos alerting you to what's going on or things that you should know. So enjoy the rest of your weekend. And thank you so much again for joining us in our MSOL program. Take care.